Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we're going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. So when we look at the events plan for today is Friday, February 17th. At 4 a.m. we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and at 12:30 p.m. we have medium impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. Otherwise we don't have any high impacting or medium impacting news planned for any of the major currency pairs. So today we can expect low volatility in the market. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to test the resistance level of 1959, which was a resistance zone in the past price action, and we are noticing the price action to continuously trend on the bearish side. Here also we have noticed a price action to make a indecision candle because this level had acted as a resistance zone in the past and presently it had acted as a support zone. So price was struggling to break this support zone, and once it gave a breakout from this support zone, we have noticed a price action to continue with bearish trend. And looking at the current candle in weekly time frame, there is no sign of trend reversal. We can expect the current bearish trend to continue in weekly time frame. In Fibonacci's tool also, I had indicated that 1854 was a strong support in the past price action, and currently we have noticed a price action to break this support level of 0.23%, and next level of support is going to be around 0.38%, and this level is also going to be acting as a strong support because in the past also we have noticed a price action to consolidate within this support zone. Then after taking support on this support level, it has trended on the bullish side retracement, and presently since the price action is in a bearish trend, we can expect little bit of consolidation then to continue with bearish trend if the bearish trend is still stronger, which means that you have to wait for the price action to break the support level of 1787 in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in weekly time frame. So for now, this level of 1788 is going to be acting as a strong support for the future price action in weekly time frame. This level of 1854 is going to be acting as a resistance level for the current price action. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame, and in daily time frame also we are noticing the price action to continue trending on a bearish trend. It has also broken the higher time frame support level of 1854, and we can notice a strong bearish trend to continue in daily time frame also. So as explained in the weekly time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1788, where we have noticed a price action in daily time frame also to consolidate. So once a price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in daily time frame also. So for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame, I had already highlighted in my past analysis that the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend, and we have noticed a price action to break this support level of 1854, which was a very strong support level from the higher time frame, and we are noticing it to continuously trend on the bearish trend within this bearish channel pattern. So as long as the price action is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame. And when we look at the price action also, it doesn't have enough bullishness to break the previous highs also, which shows the strength of the current bearish trend. It has to break the previous highs in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal in 4 hours time frame also. So for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend. And in the past, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracements once it tests this midline of this bearish channel pattern. So we can expect a little bit of bounce back on the bullish side based on the past price action. But still it will not be a trend reversal on the bullish side. Rather, it will be considered as a retracement on the bullish side. in order to gather enough volume to break this support line. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1841 and support level of 1830. Once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1813, 1793 and 1787. And if the price action bounces back breaking this resistance level of 1841, next level of resistance is going to be around 1853, 1867 and 1890. And for now, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bearish trend as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern. Wait for it to break the higher time frame resistance levels in order to get the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in hourly time. I'm in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, previously we have noticed a price action to trade on a sideways momentum within this bearish channel pattern of the hourly time frame, and it has given a breakout from this support line, and also the support line had acted as a resistance line. So it gives a confirmation on the continuation of the current bearish trend in hourly time frame also. So only for the hourly time frame, if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement, wait for the price action to break this resistance line, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side retracement. But I would not recommend you to take trades against the current trend. But the next level of resistance will be the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame. And only when the price action breaks this resistance line and the higher time frame resistance level of 1854 or 53, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in hourly time frame also. But for now, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in hourly time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently, the price action has broken the support level of 1836 and it is in a very strong bearish trend. And if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1830, 1825, 1821, 1814, 1806 and 1796. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1836 and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the hourly time frame. Once this resistance line is broken, next level of resistance is going to be the level of 1845, 1851, 1854, 1857, 1861, 1865 and 1870. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a resistance line connecting the highs of the past price action. We can notice that little bit of consolidation is starting in 30 minutes time frame. So based on this consolidation, we have the midline of the 4 hours time frame running over here, and also the support line from the 30 minutes time frame running over here. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation, based on which we can expect a directional momentum to start in 30 minutes time frame. Either it could be on the bearish side or on the bullish side retracement also. But you know already that there are plenty of resistance levels on the bullish side also, which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. And if it gives the breakout on the bearish side, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. And next level of support is going to be the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line of the bearish channel pattern. So the values in this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently, the price action has given a breakout from the support level of 1834 and it is in a bearish trend. Next level of support is going to be around 1831, 1827, 1822, 1816, 1808 and 1799. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the resistance level of 1834, Next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1838 and 1845. And any bounce back on the bullish side will be considered only as a retracement. It will not be a trend reversal on the bullish side, as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern resistance line or the trend line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is in a bearish trend for now in 15 minutes time frame, and it has broken the support level of 1834. And if the bearish trend still continues, next level of support it's going to be around 1831, 1828, 1823, 1817 and 1800. And if the price action bounces back on the bullish side retracement, breaking the previous resistance level of 1834, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1836, 1838, 1841 and 1845. Here we have the hourly time frame resistance line, which it has to break if it wants to continue further on the bullish side retracement in 15 minutes time frame. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. For now, in 15 minutes time frame also, the overall trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. Wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is going to be around 1828, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.